I am a star. You wonder what I am? Well, I am glad you asked because I can tell you. A diamond? What's a diamond? That must be something on Earth. But I am a star, not a diamond. Are you going to stop singing so that I can tell you what I am? So that I can answer your question? Okay, so I have a prepared answer. And
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder.
Again, with that same question, if you just stop singing, I can answer. Okay, a star like myself is actually a giant ball. Stop interrupting. Listen, I don't know what a diamond is, but you must really love these diamonds. And you know what? Stars don't even twinkle. I can't tell you the answer to your question if you don't stop asking me over and over again. Okay, finally. I think I have my pointy stick here somewhere. Now, stars are actually giant balls of super duper hot gas held together by gravity. We make our own light and heat energy, and we do this by, are you ready? By burning hydrogen gas into helium gas, and this is called nuclear fusion. That sounds a bit confusing, so you can learn more about that later. But for now, did you know we are not even pointy up close? Yep, we are just round balls. And we don't actually twinkle, you just think we do, because when you look up, you see our light and it's shining through layers and layers of the Earth's atmosphere. And that atmosphere moves around and has different temperatures, and this makes the light kind of bounce around, and that light bouncing around is what you see, and it makes it look like we are twinkling. Fascinating, am I right? What? Wait, are you fading out the music already? I have so much more to explain about me, about stars. Okay, that is just rude. Why don't you just go and ask the sun what the sun is, huh? Actually, don't bother, because you know why? Because I already know the answer. The sun is a star. Asks the same question again and again. Doesn't even give me a chance to answer. Blah, blah, blee, 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 blee.